If you're looking for the best help desk software and are torn between ServiceNow and LiveAgent, you're in the right place. Both platforms promise to streamline customer support, but which one actually delivers the best experience? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is right for you and if there's a better option you should consider. First, let's talk about ServiceNow. It's an enterprise-grade IT service management platform designed for large organizations. If your company deals with complex workflows, automation, and ITSM, ServiceNow is packed with features to handle it all. But here's the catch: it's expensive, has a steep learning curve, and requires dedicated resources to fully implement. If you don't have a large IT team, be prepared for a long onboarding process. Next up, LiveAgent. This is more of a traditional help desk software aimed at businesses that prioritize multi-channel support. It's user-friendly, packed with features like ticketing, live chat, and call center functionality, and much easier to set up compared to ServiceNow. The pricing is also way more reasonable. But it's not perfect. Some users report occasional system slowdowns, and while it has solid automation, it doesn't come close to the workflow customization you get with ServiceNow. Now, let's compare how they handle automation. ServiceNow's automation tools are some of the best in the industry, allowing businesses to reduce manual work significantly. It integrates deeply with IT infrastructure, automating workflows across departments. The downside? It requires expert configuration, and if you don't set it up properly, it can actually slow down your processes instead of improving them. LiveAgent's automation, on the other hand, is simpler. You get automatic ticket routing, canned responses, and SLA rules that help streamline customer service. But if you need deep IT integrations or custom workflows that adapt dynamically, LiveAgent just doesn't have that level of depth. Support and usability are another key factor. LiveAgent is far easier to use right out of the box. It's built for teams who need quick setup and immediate functionality. ServiceNow, on the other hand, is a powerhouse, but one that demands time, training, and an IT department that knows what they're doing. If your business is small or medium-sized, the complexity of ServiceNow could be overkill. When it comes to cost, there's no competition. ServiceNow is significantly more expensive and is aimed at enterprises with large budgets. LiveAgent is much more affordable, making it accessible to startups and growing businesses. If budget is a concern, LiveAgent is the clear winner. So, which is the best help desk software? The answer depends on your needs. If you're an enterprise dealing with ITSM, ServiceNow might be worth the investment. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, multi-channel support solution without breaking the bank, LiveAgent is the better choice. But after trying all of them myself, I found an even better alternative. If you want the best help desk software for seamless automation, multi-channel support, and affordability, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss out.